That damn light off. I can see it through this window. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Years and years. Yep. Can you? Let me see. Oh yeah.
Check it out. Too bad she wasn't here.
I know.
You love this, isn't it?
I know. Well, he's being videotape it because he's like, videotape it.
They're just gonna smash that down. Not even touch that wire. The wires go right across there.
Wow.
This guy's good, man. Really good.
He goes by each
That's
board.
how they started at the house, in front of the house, just like that.
Wow. Gently, you know, like boom, boom by board by board, like each base.
Look at it. Thing's about ready to fall. Look at it. See that? Like, pick the whole garage up. You see that?
Yeah. That thing's powerful.
Amazing, isn't
it? Okay.
Of course, it's pretty routed, you know, but look, pulling it right over.
Dang.
Well, he can't because of the wire.
Real tricky.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little tricky one with that wire there. I thought maybe he might have hooked him or something, but he's now, man. I take them more than that.
He's awesome. It's not as easy as it looks. Yeah, there's that wire. That wire is low. Never noticed that. He comes real gentle.
Smash it all in.
He is pretty gentle. Gentle giant. Really?
What I've heard
Really? What? Look at him. Oh! What's falling apart? Oh my god. He could pick that whole thing and just fling it. He's gonna take that top off. Holy crap. That's so amazing to watch.
See? Look at that.
Wow. Lifted it up and just folded it.
Look at that. Oh my god. Amazing, ain't it?
Yeah, it's crazy. He lifted it up and just let it fall in.
Now you come in here and hit the wall. This guy's good at that.
And he's got like a teeny bit of room to take that big old machine. Like, he came all the way up from the side, squeezed in. So one wrong turn, he'll fall right into the house. Because the house is a big hole. It's amazing. They got something laying on her flowers.
Yeah, like
don't play with Grandma's flowers.
Where nobody get in there and fall in.
Oh, okay.
Now look at that, man.
Yeah.
I might have to go in and pay them the price for it.
Oh yeah.
Because what I'm hearing, I just on the TV that bought